I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that steak, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
This might be one of the best dash cameras on the market, the Wolfbox X5. So let's jump in the car and talk about it. This dash camera will meet all your safety needs. It has a triple camera, a front, a rear, and a cabin camera. Here's what I mean by triple camera. You'll get it once I show you the actual camera. All right, here it is. So you got a camera on the front, which is in front of you when you're driving, and then boom, you got a camera for the interior. So when you're driving, you're able to be recording what's in front of you and what's inside of the interior. Now, that's not the only thing. We are not done yet, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you guys what else we got. And then we got, boom, this is the rear camera. So you got a camera for the front, you got a camera for the interior, and then you got a camera for the rear of the car. And of course, they're high definition. You get 4K plus 180p plus 2.5K. So you will have a clear view of what's in front of you, what's inside the car, and what's behind you. It's really important to have a high resolution camera on your dash cam just so you're able to read license plates, street signs. You want to have everything as clear as possible. And its compact size makes it so it's not distracting for the drivers. It'll just be up on the windshield and it's like it's not even there. You also get a 2.35 touchscreen, which makes it super easy to operate. And of course, you get night vision, which is super important. You want to be safe in the morning and at night. Accidents can happen at any time, and it's best to have a camera with really good night vision. This camera in particular has the Starvis 2 night mode and Starvis mid-road for IRL lights. My favorite feature is that it has voice control, which can take up to 12 commands like turn on, turn off, record, stop recording, all types of commands. Now you know a little bit about the Wolfbox X5. Next thing we're gonna do is take my M3 out for a drive and put this camera into use. First thing, we gotta put the seatbelt on because safety is first. But my favorite part about this dash camera is that it can record the interior. That's so cool, man. There are many pros to why you should have a dash camera with an interior camera. First, for safety reasons. If you drive Uber, Lyft, you want to give that extra layer of protection for yourself and for your passengers. Also, if you get pulled over by the cops, in case of an accident, anything, whether you're getting assaulted by your girlfriend, I mean, anything, the best thing is to have footage as evidence. Whether, like I said, you could get pulled over and the cop may lie or say some other stuff that didn't actually happen, you have that on camera. I mean, even as far as when you get in an accident, it's your word versus another person's word. But if you have a dash camera, that'll help, you know, sort out the whole story. You know, men lie, women lie. Footage from a dash camera don't lie. We made it back home, and I just want to say the Wolfbox X5 is one of the best dash cameras on the market. And I said it in the beginning of the video, but hopefully after you watch this video, you're able to see why I made that statement. So don't waste another minute of living without having this in your life. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And for those like myself who want that cleaner look and not many wires showing, they also have a hardwire kit. So go get you the hardwire kit. Go get you the Wolfbox X5 right freaking now.